Paraben's Electronic Evidence Examiner, E3, is a comprehensive digital forensic analysis tool designed to handle more data more efficiently while adhering to Paraben's P2 paradigm of specialized focus of the entire forensic exam process. Cloud data importing functions that is built into Electronic Evidence Examiner allows forensic investigators to obtain user data from cloud-based services via the Internet using user account credentials or authentication tokens. The cloud data importing process of Electronic Evidence Examiner passes NIST verification and certification. Paraben's E3 Google Authenticator utility allows forensics investigators to collect authentication tokens for Google services, namely Gmail and Google Drive, for additional access to cloud data. Collected tokens are placed in the encrypted auth data file that can be used only by the Cloud Data Import Wizard of E3. Paraben's E3 Google Authenticator usage process is as follows. First, the user starts Paraben's E3 Google Authenticator. After reading all information, the user copies the provided link. Next, the user starts Google Chrome in the incognito mode and inserts the link. After that, the user uses the credentials provided to authenticate into the Google account under investigation, following the standard procedure. Once Google authorization is completed, the user presses any key in the E3 Google Authenticator. The Google Authenticator collects authentication tokens for the investigated account from Google Chrome and creates the authdata.bin file. Next, the user opens Electronic Evidence Examiner and starts Cloud Data Import. The user selects the authdata.bin file created via the E3 Google Authenticator. After that, the user proceeds with the normal data collection and analysis process. Please note that collected data using Electronic Evidence Examiner is protected in the encrypted case file that can be opened only in the E3 interface.